So I was looking for an app to edit some photos. So I found this Photo Studio, a program that's financed by advertisement, and I tested it out. I made some okay photos with this, and what's really annoying is that you have a lot of ads and you can not buy the full version, so to say. So if you go to this premium subscription, you only have a subscription, which is probably good since it is possible to always get the upgrades, but you cannot buy the software, so you can have a subscription for it. But this is the free version, and that's what I would like to show to you. So I made some previous photos, and hopefully we'll manage to make something today as well. So I have some little collage here of different things I made. Some colorful here, like with a sticker effect. This one is actually quite nice, and you can make something like that in this photo studio. So let's see if we can make something that looks a little bit, I don't know, kitsch, like a little cliche romantic stuff, which clearly is very popular on Instagram. And this app can do that. You basically don't need any skills to do it. So let's test it out. But first, to make a collage with the photo studio, we need a picture to work with, to work from, and I think I will take a photo here. So let's open this photo. And you have it here, and we want to do something with it. We want to, I'm normally starting with some effects to see where we are, what we're looking at. Don't really know what style we're going for. It would be nice to have something that could bring out the colors. So, not really sure if we got anywhere there. You have these effects here, which is quite interesting. Depending on what you're after. But it's this pip effect. I have downloaded some elements here. Um, so here you can see that we are getting somewhere. I don't really know what this is going to be, but in this collage, the picture I took is not really being much as of now. As you can see, I'm creating this frame for the Instagram square size. So I think we are around here with the cut of the frame, and let's see what we can make more here. Okay, so we have something that starts to look almost decent. So now let's see what this pip effect can do on this thing. I'm not sure, but I think that's a proper overkill. Now I think we're just missing an sticker with a melody thing here, like something that's playing the melody, playing the tune. Birds are singing, maybe not this one. And if that isn't overkill, then I don't know. But it's fun. You can start with a photo, but almost nothing. And then you can end up with a really kitsch photo or a collage, which is ready for Instagram. At least almost. So with this overloaded kitsch, yeah, I don't know, collage, I think I'm going to save this. I like to save PNGs. They don't compress the file, so you could use it later for something much better than JPEG. But overall, I think this is great if this is what you're after.
Construction options.
Go. Yes, Commander. Go.
Yes,
So this is what you have to
complete.
have then. You get the commercials as in many other apps, and why not?
New construction options.
And then we're back. So all that's left now is to publish on Instagram.